Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2015 factory-built Kenworth W900 extended cab day cab, built with a 12.7 pre-emission Detroit, 13-speed, 355 gears, 580,000 miles. Just came out of detail, new drives, sand and polish all the aluminum, paint the frame. I've gotten it hot this afternoon, so we're going to do a full walk around, show you blow-by, oil pressure, and finish up on the inside. Let's get started. Built with a factory reman Detroit from Detroit. Really clean up on the front. Clean in the really everywhere on the engine. Body and paint are in pretty good shape. Have a few superficial scratches up on the front, nothing real deep. On the front corner, if you look real close in the black, you can see it. A little bit of a dent right there at the top part of the fuel tank. Got to get up on top of it to see it. And then some rubs right there on the back where the airlines have been. Frame rail overall is in excellent condition. Basically the brakes. Top of this one too. Similar scratches on the front corners like the other side. See a little bit there. Nothing major, it's a used truck, but we're gonna point out anything that would be it. A little hairline, which these Kenworths are known to do this. A little bit of a hairline crack right there where the hood latch is. VIT. Leather seats. Interior's clean. Floor's in real good shape, not all bubbled up. And again, the extended cab there, have to love that. 13-speed, full gauges. I know that says 326, it is 580. That ECU cluster that keeps track of that has been changed out at one time. You can see temps up, low side oil pressure is fantastic. RPMs jump up like it's supposed to, real smooth. Oil pressure is fantastic. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call or text at 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.